What is up, Dreamedia fam? Hope you guys are doing well. My name is Channa, and you might recognize me from my YouTube channel. It's called TechnoDad, youtube.com/TechnoDad. And I have joined the team over here at Dreamedia to help you guys kind of, fine tune and narrow down what pieces you need for your home theater or 2-channel listening area. I've been into this home theater thing since around 93-ish. It was a way for my father and I to kind of bond while I only saw him on the weekends. We would go to mom and pop, hi-fi stores and that kind of thing, looking for speakers and all that sort of stuff. So back in high school, he said to me, "What's the newest thing out? And let's get you a system based off of that." And that was Dolby Pro Logic 2. And that's kind of what started my journey in home theater. We got a little bit of a setup going, and I added onto it when I could afford to get a center channel, surround speakers. And I believe in my mom's house, I've got 3 different setups there. One is a whole home audio, one is a main room, and then her upstairs with her 50-inch Fujitsu plasma. Clearly, this was a long time ago. However, that's just, giving you an idea of how long I've spent putting systems together. And I could definitely bring a lot to the table, especially when needing to help you guys out with your system. Now, I do consider myself an accidental audiophile, as when I was like 8 or 9 years old, my dad used to take me to all these places because he was looking for these Bang & Olufsen speakers and new amplifiers and stuff. So I knew what Macintosh was back then. I knew what Nakamichi was and Bang & Olufsen. And no matter what music I wanted to listen to, I was hearing it on a Bang & Olufsen system from the 70s, which was really cool. And I didn't think much of anything at all. He had a Nakamichi tape deck, and I would play whatever music I wanted to, like Metallica, Janet Jackson, and all this kind of stuff. And it wasn't until I was in high school when I went to some friends' houses and we were listening to music on their family system in whatever room it was. I would always ask myself, why does this not sound as good? And that's when I made the correlation to the fact that the equipment that you're using to listen to your music on actually does matter. And I have been playing piano and guitar for 30 years. I've been a music producer since 2001. I've got my original music in TV shows and played on terrestrial radio around the world. So I kind of, grew up just knowing what good sound was and how to create it. So that's a little bit about myself. I met up with Zach and Chris at CEDIA 2019. And after that, we kind of kept in touch. And I hit up Chris a couple months ago wanting to talk about his 9.1.6 Dolby Atmos setup. And he's like, "Hey, we need a little bit of assistance if you'd like to help the Dreamedia team trying to help people set up their home theater, their 2-channel listening environment." And I was like, yeah, sure, let's try that. Why not? So here I am. I'm here to help you guys, and let's see if we can get that good audio in your home. So yeah, I think that's just about it. I hope to help you guys out when you call in. See ya.